What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple portable battery chargers and a cool iPhone cable. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so first we're going to take a look at the Mophie Power Reserve Compact External Battery. I got this for 10 bucks at Marshall's, but I'll try to have another link for it in the description if you don't have a Marshall's near you. So it's got a USB charge port and made for USB devices and made by Mophie, so you know it's a pretty good battery charger. Yeah, let's get this open. Slide this open to the bottom. And this battery claims that it'll add 14 hours of talk time to your smartphone, 10 hours of web browsing, 11 hours of video playback, and 50 hours of music playback. So that's pretty good if that's accurate. And it's a 2600 milliamp hour battery, by the way. Mophie Power Reserve, little diagram there. Pretty nice box. Just peel it open. Here's the battery itself. It's a nice matte white with a silver front. LED lights, but this came dead, so have to charge it. Mophie branding. Yeah, this looks nice. It's super light. And also in the box you get, I'm guessing, a micro USB cable. There we go. Yep, super small micro USB cable, similar to the ones that usually come with Mophie chargers. Yeah, Mophie branding. Add that to the collection. Alright, so next we're going to talk about another Mophie battery charger that I found for 10 bucks. And this is the Power Station Mini. So it's a 2500 milliamp hour battery. And it claims up to 1.5 times extra battery. Quick charge compact battery. 1.0 amp high output charging. Integrated micro USB port, LED power indicator. 2500 milliamps as I said. And you can see it right when you open up the box. Nice presentation. Slide this open. And should be able to just pop it out. Here we go. This is a little thing on the back. You just put your finger and push out the charger. Yeah, this is really nice. It's like super tiny, super light, and this one's also dead, but it is what it is. It's got a little phone icon to show you that this is where you plug in your phone, and micro USB port for charging, LEDs, little battery indicator button, Mophie branding, and this nice red color with the silver trim. Yeah, this looks really good. I really like this. And only 10 bucks at Marshall's, so pretty good deal. So if I can get this out. Got some sticky stuff on there. Got my unboxing knife here. There we go. And in this little box, another micro USB cable. So you shake it out. This one seems to be a bit longer. There we go. Yeah, so definitely significantly longer. Also micro USB. Mophie branding, same deal. So that's the Mophie Power Station Mini. Looks pretty good. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so the last thing we're going to talk about is the HyperGear Charge and Sync flat USB cable. Cable with lightning connector. So this is for iPhones. I don't have an iPhone, but I'm always letting people borrow my battery charger, so it's good to have one around because a lot of people have iPhones. Yeah, so this one's by HyperGear. Cost me 15 bucks at Marshall's, 25 in other places, and it's got the made for iPhone, iPod, iPad certification, so you know it's legit. 6 feet long, aluminum alloy shell, lightning connector, USB-A. Let's get this open. use my unboxing knife. There's one. Yeah, there's two. Slide open the bottom. Oh wow, this looks really nice. So all you get in the box is the cable itself. This kind of reminds me of the Anker charging cables with the style, except this one's flat, which makes it less likely to tangle. It's not tangle free, like even when they say that, like no flat cable really is, like at least in my experience. But yeah, this looks nice. So red, silver, and black, three of my favorite colors. Nice and long. It's got a little Anker-esque cable management strap. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.